How to get OR copy after online registration on LTO LTMS online portal. So if you want to get the OR copy after the online registration in LTO or LTMS online portal, then you can open up your Google or your browser, anything that you're comfortable with. Go with the search, and under search you need to search for LTO LTMS portal. Once you search here, you need to go for the first option or the first search. Simply tap on it and it will take you to the website. And once you get this kind of interface, you just need to simply scroll down and then tap on login option. Once you tap on login here, you will have the email or LTO client number, so enter that and then enter your password and make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, you can simply go with the documents option. Under documents, you will have the license, official receipts and everything. So you just need to simply go with the second option, which is official receipts, and here you can simply choose a receipt that you would like to download. So simply tap on the receipt and tap on open and tap on download button, and that's it. Your OR copy has been downloaded. Now you can simply go with the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and again you can click on download, or you can go with send file or any one of these options, or you can also print. So that's how you can get the OR copy after the online registration on LTO LTMS online portal. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.